First go to the file and choose open. Select this coffee cup image. Click open. Take the quick selection tool and select the cup like this. Now press Ctrl Z twice to create two duplicate layers of the selection. Hide the top layer, select the second layer. Take the rectangle tool, enable the shape option. Now draw the shape like this. Right click on the shape layer and choose create clipping mask. Right click on this layer and choose convert to smart object. Go to blend modes and choose linear blur. Double click on this layer. Go to the file and choose place embedded. Select this texture image, click place. Hold the alt button and increase the image size in this manner. Press enter. Go to the file and choose save. Open the main window. Right click on this layer and choose blending options. Here adjust the underlying layer option like this. Press OK. Expose the top layer. Go to blend modes and choose multiply. Increase the opacity to 40%. Let's see the final result.